In this video, we're going to learn how to convert temperatures from Celsius to Fahrenheit using Python. Before we dive into the code, let's understand the conversion formula. The formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit is Fahrenheit equals Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. First, I'm declaring a variable called Celsius and assigning it the value float, input, which is used to take a float value from the user. I'm declaring another variable, Fahrenheit, for the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. The formula for the conversion is Fahrenheit equals Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. I'm using the print instruction to display the result. Displaying Celsius and Fahrenheit values. Executing the code. Entering 45 as input. 45.0 Celsius is equal to 113.0 Fahrenheit. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button to help it reach others.